Bitcoin could hit $100,000 in 2021. But this bank sees Ethereum soaring tenfold. The Bitcoin price hit recent highs of $60,000 per Bitcoin this week before crashing to around $42,000. The price of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, came within touching distance of its all-time highs this week before falling back. Now, UK-based banking giant Standard Chartered has issued a Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction sees the Bitcoin price rise threefold from its current levels, with Ethereum potentially rising by a factor of 10. In a report first seen by the block, analysts at the bank said they expect Bitcoin's price to increase threefold and give it a price range of between $50,000 and $175,000 per Bitcoin, while Ethereum is predicted to rally 10 times its current level, with a price target of $26,000 to $35,000 per Ether. The bank expects Ethereum to eventually surpass Bitcoin in total value. Ethereum is compared to a financial market, facilitating lending, insurance, and exchanges, by Standard Chartered's global research team, led by Jeffrey Kendrick, who found Bitcoin to be more like a currency. In other words, while potential returns may be greater for Ethereum than for Bitcoin, risks are also higher, said the bank's team, adding the current price reflects both the relative complexity of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and the uncertainty around Ethereum's development. Standard Chartered also expects Ethereum to benefit from its eventual upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, begun last year and designed to help the network better scale, increase functionality and improve efficiency. The long-awaited upgrade isn't due to be completed until at least 2022. Meanwhile, research this week has shown demand for Ethereum and smaller cryptocurrencies, sometimes known as altcoins, is growing at a faster rate than demand for Bitcoin. There is no doubt that altcoins are becoming a lot more popular, Mark Hipperson, founder and chief executive of UK-based crypto and cash app Ziglo, said in a statement alongside the research. In August, well over 4/5 of the amount of cryptocurrency purchased were altcoins. Bitcoin price is not looking back as it breached the $60,000 psychological level. Ethereum mirrors the big cryptos moves, but Ripple seems to be more volatile than the top two cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price remains strong. Bitcoin price has rallied a whopping 44% since October 1 and breached two psychological levels, $50,000 and $60,000. Despite this exponential upswing, the big crypto shows no signs of stopping as it currently trades around $62,330. BTC will, however, face a minor resistance at $63,330 and its all-time high at $64,985. Therefore, a breach of these two barriers will open Bitcoin price up to a resistance-free path to venture into the discovery phase. The 161.8% trend-based Fibonacci extension level at $77.525 is the next target for Bitcoin bulls if they manage to produce a decisive close above $64,985. This run-up would constitute nearly a 25% ascent and would set up a new all-time high. On the other hand, if Bitcoin price breaches $60,000 to the downside, it will put the uptrend on hold. In such a case, BTC might revisit the $57,300 support floor. In dire cases, a massive sell-off could knock the big crypto to $55,370, where the buyers can make a comeback. Ethereum price gets stuck again. Ethereum price traded between $3,619 and $3,387 for roughly 11 days and showed no affinity to move higher. However, on October 14, ETH finally moved out of the upper barrier and is currently grappling with the $3,938 hurdle, which sits just below the $4,000 psychological level. While Ethereum price closely mirrors Bitcoin price action, it has relatively less volatility, which can be observed in comparing returns for October. ETH has only rallied 31%, but BTC has jumped 44% in the same time. Regardless of the bullish outlook, if Ethereum price produces a decisive close below $3,387, it will create a lower low and probably knock it down to $3,200. This move will slow down the ascent and dent the bullish outlook, but it will not invalidate the optimistic thesis. Should you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? The ultimate debate between Bitcoin and Ethereum as investments comes down to an investor's risk profile. Both have bull catalysts in the foreseeable future as the world becomes more digital and cryptocurrencies acceptance grows. Bitcoin is the more mainstream and more stable of the two, although the bullish sentiment among experts in the field appears to have only grown over the last year for Ethereum. As with most investments, it's possible Ethereum's higher risk brings with it potential for higher rewards. In either case, it's not 2009 anymore. Both currencies have sprinted past the proof of concept phase. It's now time for investors who haven't considered this asset class in the past to start taking both BTC and ETH seriously. That's all about today's video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.